Sherringham for a 1940's weekend. Also hope you see the steam train and catch up with Oliver and Harvey, who filmed Andy's, or Oliver filmed the footage of Andy's ashes, and Harvey put me in touch with him. So stay tuned for lots of steam fun, 1940s fun, and of course a little bit of Can Am riding. Somewhere to park. Just going to pay and display, see if there's any disabled places, maybe. No, all disabled spots have gone. Okay, well, maybe I'll just pop it in here. That would do. There's the station. It is supposed to rain today, so I got my waterproofs on, but I've got my shorts and underneath. And the other thing I was wanting to show you is my air hawk had punctured, so I bought a new one. This little JFT thing, and you fill it with water, which I thought, you can fill it with air as well, but I thought it's a great idea. But when I first sat on it, it was a bit cold, and I'm thinking, oh Karina, it's going to freeze in the winter, isn't it? You silly Billy. I'm gonna quickly whip up here, show you the station with my GoPro. Oh. Alright, that's a shame. I can't go any further. I don't think I'm going to be able to get any further up the platform this way either. Unless maybe I'll buy a ticket. The other days you can usually get on in to the train, just to the train, but you can't today. You have to buy a ticket. Well, it's £30 for a ticket today, and I'm not doing that just so I can get on the platform to try and see Oliver and Harvey, who might not be there. So hi guys. I can apparently hop on a free vintage bus to Hull if I want to, but I don't know if it's free coming back as well, whether I've got to walk back. So I think I'll give it a miss and just have a little walk down the high street.
Nice diamond looking thing in the silver class. So if
it's so great to see everyone dressed up. This 1940s weekend happens once a year in Sherringham and Hull. It's not so busy today, possibly because of the weather, and I think the main event is on a Saturday, but I was busy yesterday, so I'm here for the Sunday event. I found some footage on YouTube of the People's Parade from this year, and I'll put the link in my description below. If you're liking this movie, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share it with your mates. And if you press the little bell, then you'll be alerted every time I upload a new movie. There's my thumbnail stars. They were so funny, so much fun, and has so many photos with so many people. Gluten-free fish and chips, I was so excited. but they won't take a card for under £20. And I have no cash, and I lost my card again, so, yeah, no. Can't get it out. Can only use my phone. Ooh, looks like afternoon tea. If you'd like to buy me a coffee, you can do so by pressing in the link in my description below and in my bio. And it's very, very much appreciated. I was here a couple of months ago. I was so exhausted I needed to sleep, and I had a little swim in that sea and a sleep on that beach. It wasn't as rough that day though. Oh, but it's cold in there today.
Making an excuse that there's a room that comes. Have you got any fan belts?
I could do better than that. Hold that open, hang about.
Hold on, Amber.
What do you like for ammunition? Look, grenades, what, £1 each? How many do you want? Hold that a minute. Hold that open.
Sainsbury's local. Hopefully I'll get some food in there. You can't use your card for anything less than a £5 in any of the food shops here. Have to be my old go-to, some crackers and hummus. That would be. Whilst I don't celebrate war, I do love these 1940s days and weekends because it reminds me of how communities pulled together and supported and helped each other. Well, that was really good, but very emotional, I have to say. Andy and I had hoped to come here a couple of years ago, but he wasn't well enough, and I couldn't face it last year. In fact, I think I might have been in Malaysia or Cambodia or somewhere. So I'm here this year, and it's been good. But I'm going to go home now. Sun's come out, but I'll get the waterproofs on just in case, and ride home via Starbucks. I need a nice cup of Starbucks. Go on my bike, and Harvey's just coming on duty, so I found him.
Hey guys.
These would be helpful, Karina. You can't get very far without them. Oh, Harvey's lovely. He comes all the way from Leicester to come and do this. He looks very different from his picture in his Facebook page. That's why I didn't recognise it. I'm like, oh, if you see Oliver or Harvey, I went, I'm Harvey. Like, cool. So anyway, he's got to go now because he's got to go on the footplate for one of those trains. So I will hopefully catch up with him in October and do a little interview about working on the North Norfolk Railway. Looking forward to that. Sally. Very nice Bumblebee, you're doing well. 600cc twin is marvellous. Here comes the rain, but I just thought I'd do a quick little thing to show you Blickling Hall. I did do a vlog on this a couple of years ago with Andy actually, so I will put the link in for you in the description below. It's pretty spectacular, pretty grand. Did a lot of concerts and events as well, and there's lots of walks and that. Jack's first experience of seeing madness was there at that hall. This is the little village or town of Aylsham, and there is a steam train here as well, but it's like a miniature one. It goes from Wroxham to here. Still good fun though. That's it, the Bure Valley Railway.
Whilst I don't particularly like the fast roads like the NDR, it is nice to have a little blast every now and again. Well, it's been a lovely day. I hope you enjoyed it too. Apologies, I only set my relive one way, but I put the link in anyhow. Ta-ta for now.